Hi, Colin. This is Dean from Matrix. I was going to call you, but I think you already sleep. So I will take a video instead. And tomorrow, when you woke up, we can still talk, or we can make another video call. It's all right. So I take your tool with me. Okay, let's go. So here, these are the office, and here we have a storage of sugars. Okay, these are all sugar. And here, this is white color, this is pink, and we have another tool, but we didn't open it yet. So let me take you to the machine. Okay. These on the left side are the pack machines, ready to ship. Maybe in a few days, tomorrow or day after tomorrow. This is our head of factory. Okay. I'll show you. Okay, so this is also a customized single cabinet over here. You can see we fixed some sticks inside to save the shipping. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is the ordinary one, and the language can be customized, the speakers can be customized, the window can be customized, and there's a few different payment systems you can use over here. Okay, you see this light box is for our client, so it's also customized, and you can see here is the coin system and the cash system over here, coin system over here, and this is the production area, which is separate with the isolated fence over here. And this is the menu. We have different language, Turkish, English, Romania, and whatever you like. We have a chat for you, and we just need to translate. And this is a temperature of the heating burner. This one, this one is the heating burner. Okay. So now let's just make the candy over here. Uh, and here we have 32 different shapes. I just take this one. Okay. It's ready to go. The machine start running like this. Okay. Here is the shaping knife to make different shapes. Okay. And it will be ready within 1 minute, no, 70 seconds to 90 seconds. So you just to wait a bit. This one is a smaller version. The production and the delivery is the same place, which means it's not so clean enough. So this one is not selling good, but this one is selling good. You can see, okay, and we're about to ready. Okay, we're shaping the flower. I think this is the last procedure, and they grow big. It's a big circle, and then we can take it through this delivery window. It's good to go. Okay. Okay. Here the window. and take it. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Very nice. Here, finishing the installation. These are all about to be shipped. This is also custom made top. And you can see over here another one. Very lovely design over here. You can see this is also different from the other one. And here for some electronic components. Yeah, you can see. Okay, okay, this is a heating burner over here. So don't worry, we are doing real business. Okay, and here are the sticks. You can see over here. Each box will be 2,000 pieces thick, and we give you two cartoons for free for each machine. And let's see over here. So these are the sticks, all the sticks. Our supplier of the sticks and sugars both have the FDA approved, which is meet US standard. So don't need to worry. This is a water tank. Okay, over here, water tank, water tank over here. You can see our uh, metals, really serious, good quality, not like the others. So, see over here, thickness, this. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Okay.